Well, look at our own house. We have shingles. At least the marsh is down. Oh, but it's wet. It's wet. Oh, I don't see anything. Not like that house. Every time. I shouldn't laugh. It's not funny. I'm not laughing at them. I'm knocking some stuff around. But it hasn't pushed this or this. Oh, let me see what my corn's doing. Still got some swamp there. My corn looks wonderful. Although that chair's around right here. Going to the neighbor's yard. So how did it flip the tray? Inside or just pushed it over? I bought these shoes online and I don't like them. My new shoes. Look, they're suitable for both the beach, being that they're flat, and a sassy sundress. My problem is the big old bunion sticks out right there. My new shoes that my foot bunion sticks out of.